Going over the trades on the day, we had a nice gain, plus 6,000 on the 250K portfolio, plus 1125 on the 50K portfolio. On the stock index portfolio 18, we are at brand new equity peaks with these gains today, up 16,000 on the month on the 250K portfolio. So good gains on the month. And let's go over the trades on the day. It was a interesting price action. Let's take a look, for example, at just this 1 minute chart right here, tick count trend. You had yesterday there was earnings released with Microsoft. The market pulled back and then rallied, and that benefited us. And then overnight, Microsoft guidance tanked the market, and so there was a gap down, continuation, and that pretty much went into Friday's close. We talked about how this move higher wasn't supported by the market internals, and so it moved up, chopped, and then the market gapped down to Friday's close, and then it sold off a little bit, chopped around, and then it rallied all day, kind of like a gap fill price action. And so a lot of our strategies, it was choppy at the open, taking some long and short trades, stopped out on some of those. Some of those hit profit targets like you see in tick count trend, but then we had a lot of trades that got long and were profitable on the day on the long side. So the bulk of our profits come from the long side. This is tick count trend. You see profit target and then stop loss and then profit target to go up on the day, with one winner on the short side, one loser on the short side, and then one winner on the long side. And once again, Tesla earnings came out after the bell. You can see that just a little bit of a blip, not as much as Microsoft, but you see that little blip there, and the market moved higher on that. And so what were the other trades on the day? Viper lost on the day, tried to get short here. Market rallied. And then when it rallied, we had some long trades, and this came within half a point of a tick count trend or a tick reversal profit target. So it stopped out our short, wouldn't hit our long profit target, half a point away, and considered manually exiting, but it dissolved pretty quickly. And then at the end of the day, it did rally, but tick reversal had already exited. So despite all of that, it was a nice trading day. I think our equity peaks were around 7K on the day, and then we came back up, gave some back, and then we were up on about 6K on the day to close the day. Cobra 3 tried to short it down here, initially went our way, and then reversed. Right now it's just January, and regardless of the fundamentals, the liquidity just wants to buy stocks right now. It doesn't matter what the fundamentals are. The number one fundamental is that there's a lot of capital chasing this market, with the perception that it's a good time to buy this market. And so when a lot of capital decides to buy stocks, it just tends to go up. And that's what we saw today, regardless of what looked like bearish fundamentals overnight that caused the gap down. And so we took advantage of that technically. We were flat at the end of the day yesterday, so this worked really well for us. Had you been a buy and hold type scenario, you'd be down on the day, but we were up yesterday, market gap down, lost on the chop, and then made it back on these rallies. Even though the market closed down on the day, we are up on the day. And so tick reversal 2023 captured a long trade. Tick reversal captured two long trades. EVP1 got a small trade here at the end of the day, took advantage of that Tesla earnings pop, and looks like the market is coming back down now. But momentum reversal, trade of the day on the Nasdaq. You can see that. I'm going to expand that here. Tick pulse, short on the day, stopped out. We have a tight stop loss there. So big gains here on these momentum reversals. You can see how this has been a big winner for us this year so far. Taking really, really nice reversal trades right here, right there. Had a big winner right here. And then a winner yesterday and a winner today. It has a winner there. It has some losses along the way too. So there's some losing streaks right in here. But our net gains are higher on this screen. You can see how the winners are larger than the losers. And so that's what you need in trading, is you need winners larger than losers. For the most part, there's always an exception. If you have a high percentage of trades and your winner is close to your loser or even slightly smaller, it depends on your percentage of profitability. But overall, that's basically the premise for a lot of our trades, is having bigger winners than losers. And ES, a lot of these were losers across the board, but momentum reversal on the ES also was the winner on the day, plus 2337.50, capturing the reversal trade right there. The other 4 trades were losers. Tick Wave got short, stopped out. Mirror, same as yesterday, stopped out before it rallied, stopped out here before it rallied. And so Tick Faders stopped out before it rallied. And then Cobra 3 ES stopped out, and a tighter profit target would have worked better the last 2 days. One of our older profit targets would have worked better the last couple of days. The ranges have contracted now. So those are the trades on the day for the Nasdaq and for the S&P futures in the stock index portfolio, 18 portfolio. So up on the day, up on the month, with good trading across the board and at brand new equity peaks, with momentum reversal as the trade of the day. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.